Now, today we shall learn how to convert from logarithmic form to integral form. Let's assume you have log a base b equals to c, and you have to change this from logarithmic form to integral form. It's going to be b raised to the power of c is equals to a. Now let's assume you have log 16 base 2 equals to 4. How do you change it? It's going to be 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 16. Now let's solve simple further mass equation, simple work equation on this problem. It says, page 55, question number 14. It says, if log 2x base 8 minus log y base 8 equals to 1. Express x in terms of y. Make x the subject of the formula. Now, we apply the rules that we have learned earlier to this problem. The base is common. We take the common base. Solution. The common base is 8. We have log 8. If it is subtraction, we divide. 2x all over y is equals to 1. We convert from logarithm to what? Indices. 8 raised to the power of 1 is equals to 2x all over y. We are asked to express x in terms of y, make x the subject of the formula. Cross multiply, we have 8y equals to 2x. So when we divide both sides by 2, this divide is 4y is equals to x. Therefore, x is equals to 4y. Very simple with the knowledge of this conversion. And this is actually further mathematics like past question.